Hello guys, this is ANASTASIA and I'm gonna show you this house today, which is for sale for 75,000, I believe. This is information if you like to buy it. And let's go inside and see the house. I'm just gonna kind of walk around. I like that it's a corner house. And this has fence around it. This looks like really nice property. Okay, let's try to go in. There is some people there right now, so I'm not sure if we can kind of make a low ball offer, but we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Prices right now, it's really getting higher and higher every day. So yeah, let's go in. And this is my favorite handyman. You're gonna go with me there and tell me what needs to be done. Okay. This looks like really decent house. Don't see what needs to be done as of now. Looks like everything is done. Let's even have this rocking chair right here. So let's go in. Nice entrance. And there is some people here showing us how there is some things that need to be done, but it looks pretty decent to me, like some painting. I'm not sure if we're gonna finish the work or no. And as usually we're starting counting bedrooms, so it's bedroom number 1. Floor needs some work. Bottom is really nice, right? I don't see that something needs to be done in the bathroom. And this is a toilet. And let's go. This is a kitchen. Some more things to be done here, but it's pretty nice. Let's go to the basement so they're not in each other keys. Okay. Hello, I'm in the basement. Okay, and it has doors here. Basement is cool. Kevin, I'm here. Yeah, hi.
Hi, what time was your showing?
It should be at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1:37.
Yeah, I know. You want me to get out?
You can stay down here while we're
Yeah, that's why I was
okay.
going to the basement. Yeah, at 2 o'clock. So it looks like it's really good.
Yeah,
You want to go to the basement?
yeah, we can go down here.
Okay. Yeah, basement is not bad. We have one room here. I'm not sure how many is.
Where's the basement?
Downstairs? Yep. So you're gonna give me how much it's gonna be to do the work? Because both Maria and I want a house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So sometimes in Cincinnati there is a bidding war. If property is decent, some work need to be done here, but some work need to be done. Huh?
There should be.
Whoa!
Yeah,
I
but
never
there should-
seen
let's see.
anything like this.
This is,
What is this?
the small Steiner you got, that's
Yeah.
what you got in your basement down there.
Okay.
This is what you call hot water heat, or it could be, I'm pretty sure it's hot water. Normally it's hot water heat, radiated heat, okay?
So it doesn't
Now-
have AC for sure, right?
Yes, well, that's what I'm trying to find out, because this, here it is. Yeah, you have an AC unit with no furnace. There is no furnace here. This is just an air conditioning unit,
Uh-huh.
okay? But that's good, because you can turn that into a furnace if you ever need to,
Okay.
very easily.
Okay. So now I'm sorry guys, we are not here, it's not our time. But I'm so sorry.
No, you're
Yeah. Thank you. So we can go to the second floor right now, right?
Yes, go right now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So, these radiators, it's actually work, huh? This beauty is actually works. Okay. And let's go to the second floor. Wow, look at this chandelier.
Well, radiated heat is really the best one you can have,
Okay.
but when they go bad, it goes bad, and you're in trouble.
What Kevin is doing. Okay. Okay. And here we have some work that need to be done. But wow. This room is going to the kitchen. This I already figured out. So we have one room here. So you were working on this house before?
No.
Do you think it's shower or it's a room?
Before this guy bought it, another guy wanted me to buy it with him.
Yeah.
It was like 4 years ago.
40 years ago?
Four.
Uh-huh.
See, there's a vent there for the air conditioner.
Okay.
It could be returned.
Do you remember price on this house 4 years ago?
You don't want to know, because you.
No, tell me.
It's like 40 or 30 or 40.
Okay. And they put this nice shower and they did flooring,
These are not very.
radiator. Oh my god, look at this fancy stuff. And window.
This is definitely not Section
This is definitely Section
8.
8.
I'm teasing you.
Okay, and flooring need to be done. So, it's 1, 2. I like this room. Really nice room. Nice floors. And small closet. And look at this chandelier. 1, 2, 3. Okay, some work here. You were trying if it's working. It is working. It's hot.
Well, some of them are.
Look at this design.
I was just seeing if some of them were bled properly. That's all. Look at this.
Another room.
No.
Okay. Okay. So it's another air conditioner
Right.
right here.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Do that again.
So it's 4 bedrooms in the second floor. 1 bedroom on the first floor.
Will you lock up when you're done?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank
Keys at the door. Thanks.
Thank you, honey. Absolutely. And this is going to the kitchen, and we have 1 more floor here. So far I count 5 bedrooms.
You're gonna like this.
Wow.
6, 7, 8 bedrooms.
Oh God! How can I find somebody for 8 bedrooms? This bedroom is done. It's little chilly here. Little chilly here.
Well, yeah, because there's no heat up here. There's just air conditioning.
Okay.
Looks like it's got its own electric.
If it's no heat right here,
Well,
do you think we have a leak in the roof or something?
yeah. It looks like they have their own electric up here. I don't know how many amps. I don't have my glasses. But,
It's really good to have somebody who knows what they're doing with you.
the baseboard heat, which, see, you got 2. See how big these are?
Uh-huh.
These, if they were working properly, would warm this room.
Okay.
But those are 8-footers. And there's not
So-
one in here. We need one in here. Here's
Carpet
one,
need to
2.
be cleaned. And one more room here. Roof probably needs some repairs.
Yeah, it's definitely leaking.
So roof is leaking. Okay. They were trying to do bathroom here? Yeah.
I don't know, but this is more flooring, like in that 1 bedroom. See, it's the same stuff.
Yeah. So what do you think, what would be estimated repairs to, and do you think we need to replace all windows?
I'd know, like, might as well.
Okay. We need a roofing guy. Look at this design on the door. Pretty one. So 3. It's at least 7, 8 bedroom house. I don't know if it's gonna work for Section 8 or it's just a whole family house. Okay guys, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like it. This shower is great.